And welcome to a game that really should have pulses racing. Every reason to believe this will be enthralling. I'm Derek Ray, and sharing commentary with me as usual is Stuart Robson. And on the way, live action from the Primera División. What might we see today, Stuart?
Well, Derek, as is always the case, the team that dominates midfield will be the team that controls the flow of the game. And that, for me, is the area that's key today.
This is how it looks for the home side.
Well, this system gives them a good defensive base. A well-drilled back four, a solid midfield with wide players tucking in, and two forwards who can press the ball. But does it provide enough fluidity going forward? I'm never sure.
This is the lineup for the visitors today.
Well, it's the same system, so it's very much about the individual battles. The team that wins more of those should dominate and win the game.
And so the battle commences. It did look on for them, but not to be. Excellent use of the ball as they make their way forward. Oh, terrific piece of goalkeeping. Who's going to get on the end of it? And the keeper will happily collect that one. An effective challenge. Wanted to keep it but couldn't. This looks promising out wide. Well, I think just lost his focus for a second and a throw-in conceded. And space to attack. He has time to play it over. Still pushing for the goal that would put them ahead, but not forcing it. And he read it well defensively. Cardoso. Room to manoeuvre on the wing. Played into the centre. And a goal! Now they have their opener, and now they can celebrate.
Well, here's the replay, and it all starts with the delivery into the box. Just begging someone to get on the end of it. But the keeper should do better at his near post. That's gone in far too easily. That's not good goalkeeping.
One 0 then. Delightful pass. And he's got to clear his lines. An attack full of promise. Wonderful chance. And that's fantastic goalkeeping to get across and deal with the danger. So the corner played into the box. Just too much height on that one. Close shave, though. Really good challenge.
Well, the visitors, as you can see, haven't enjoyed the majority of possession, but what they've done with it has been really good, and they'll be happy with the way the game is being played at the moment. They love to play on the counter-attack.
A chance to whip it in. Decent position. It looks promising. And will it be the leveller? And the keeper caught there.
Well, can they draw level here? The crowd certainly think so.
Trying to pick out a teammate. Mopping up defensively. It's a perfect challenge. Now can they counter clinically? All hands on deck. Oh, big opportunity. And it's gone in. The team's separated by 2 goals now. You cannot say they don't deserve it.
Well, as you can see, this is a wonderful strike. He makes the perfect connection, and he has so much pace on it. It's a great goal.
Well, a second goal for them here. Sese. Well read to win possession back. We've had the official word. There will be a minimum of 2 added minutes. Well, they couldn't do anything with that particular cross. And so it is, the first half story has been written. Well, truth be told, he's only had a very limited influence on this game, Stuart.
Well, as you can see, he just hasn't had enough touches in the key areas, and that's one of the reasons they're losing this game at the moment.
The two teams have switched around and are ready now for the second half. Chance to cross. Well, not hard to read that pass. Breaking at pace. Lost possession. Moving the ball forward with purpose. Just knocking it around, looking to carve out a chance. It's a neat move. And take it away. Safe pair of hands, did his job. It's a good-looking ball in behind. Well, the pass in behind the defence. Quick thinking from the keeper.
Well, there you have it. The hosts have had so much of the possession, but without really creating enough chances. They've almost passed the ball for the sake of it. They need to start getting it into their front players much quicker to get back into this.
Oh, getting the ball forward. Cleared away comprehensively. Well kept out.
Well, they haven't seen too many chances, but the crowd sensing this could be a turning point. They need a goal here.
Both managers deciding this is the time to change things around. Both teams going to the bench. Played over. Well, it has come to nothing. There to win it back. Can he take them on and beat them? Promising possession, this. And touched onto the frame of the goal. And no-nonsense defensive clearance. Well, that effort was always going wide. He's not going to be best pleased with himself. Substitution time it is. Well, couldn't quite find his teammate. opportunity for them to get back into the game. That really would have changed the equation had it gone in, Stuart.
Well, he needed to score there. That may just have given them some hope.
Tremendous intuition to win it back. The pass could do damage. Well, what a stop that was. Now, how about the short corner? That's not a bad ball. It comes to nothing in the end. Could be a chance to break here. Read it superbly to take back possession. Giving the ball to the opposition that time. Oh, terrific pass. Oh, but just unable to unlock the defence. So the final whistle almost upon us, and this is not exactly what the home fans had in mind when they arrived at the ground today, Stuart.
Well, there's been a real lack of energy right from the start of the game, certainly when they haven't had the ball. They're closing down, decision-making and recovery runs just haven't been good enough.
Well, I think just lost his focus for a second, and a throw-in conceded. And the referee now going back to deal with the earlier incident. A yellow card it's going to be. Well, totalling up all the stoppages, we'll have 2 additional minutes. Can they create something? Making sure nothing untoward happened. And that is the end of the game. It goes into the history books as a home defeat.
Well, Derek, they were certainly off the pace today. Beaten to the ball in too many key areas. They need to refocus now and perform better next time out.
Well, this man has given us plenty of reasons to dwell on his performance, hasn't he, Stuart?
Yeah, not much more you could ask for, really. Plenty of effort, a goal, and most importantly, the right result. He should be happy with today.
Excellent use of the ball as they make their way forward.